This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious turkey wings in the oven. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures even cooking from the start. Next, pat your turkey wings completely dry with paper towels. This crucial step helps achieve that wonderfully crispy skin everyone loves. Finally, season them generously with your preferred blend of herbs and spices, like paprika, garlic powder, and a good pinch of salt and pepper to build a fantastic flavor base. Now that your wings are seasoned, arrange them in a single layer on a sturdy baking sheet or roasting pan. To keep them incredibly moist and tender, pour about 1 cup of chicken or vegetable broth into the bottom of the pan. This creates a steamy environment. Then, cover the pan tightly with aluminum foil. This initial steaming period, lasting for the first hour of cooking, is key to breaking down the connective tissues and ensuring fall-off-the-bone tenderness. After the initial hour of covered cooking, it's time to achieve that irresistible crispy skin. Carefully remove the aluminum foil from the pan. Increase your oven temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This higher heat will help crisp up the skin beautifully. Continue roasting for another 30 to 45 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember to baste the wings with those flavorful pan juices every 15 minutes to enhance browning and add moisture. Before serving, always confirm doneness by checking the internal temperature with a meat thermometer. The thickest part of the wing should register 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, remove the wings from the oven and let them rest, loosely tented with foil, for 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, resulting in a more tender and flavorful bite. Now, your perfectly cooked, juicy, and crispy turkey wings are ready to be enjoyed with your favorite accompaniments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.